guys, what is up? Welcome back to Bitofpizza. Today we are with a Mercedes A-Class. No, it is not an A35. This one is a A250 AMG. The owner literally had this car on order. 3 months later, the A35 was announced. Too late to cancel the deposit, too late to cancel the order. And he's ended up with this. And as a big sort of fuck you to Mercedes, he's made it look a lot better than an A35, let's face it. Visually, it's obviously got like a bit of a Brabus kit going on, as you can see. We'll walk around the external sort of side of the car. As you can see, Pan America grille on the front there. Lorenza style, canards, very good. And then obviously a Brabus style spoiler. That lights up when it's on, fucking sexy. It'll be in the slow-mos. And in regards to the wheels, I will let you know the manufacturer of them. I actually don't know.
I don't know as well.
I don't know, we didn't ask the owner. But hey ho, like I said, this is not a Jeremy Clarkson style program. Brabus fluorescent painted Patronus calipers. Because why not? Because it's very sexy. But it's done to the style of the Mercedes-Benz F1 team. Hashtag Hamilton, don't sign the contract, let Russell sign, because obviously. So obviously on the side, Maxim design kit. Side skirts obviously. Again, the same wheels, Brabus kit, and the best part is the rear, which is an A45 style diffuser, which looks fucking insane. The AMG line one is like fake plastic exhaust, just looks horrid. So that's a must-do mod if you're going to make it look a bit nicer.
Same for the spoiler.
Exact same for the spoiler. A45 style rear wing. Performance-wise, this is running a map.
From DC Automotive.
There you go. There's my guy Evan coming in. 300 horsepower, so it's the same as an A35. But this is running more torque. So it's running about 470 Newton meters, which is quite a lot for obviously a car of its stature. It's a turbo back exhaust, one resonator, loud as hell, pops and bangs like crazy, which obviously you will hear now. But yeah, otherwise that's pretty much it on the outside. I think the thing I'm excited to see is how it drives. I've been in an A35, my friend's got one. I wasn't massively impressed by it, to be honest, so I think it'll be interesting to compare my experience to this experience, and I'll let you know which is a better thing to do, because obviously an A35 used is not bad money, but again an A250 used is a lot less. So yeah, I'm not saying comparing them, they are different cars. Obviously one's like an official AMG product, one's obviously like an AMG pack product, but still be interesting comparison, dare I say. So let's go for a drive.
Let's do it.
Here we are inside the little beast. Look at the interior. Woo! Damn, son. Oh yes. He wasn't joking when he said the pops are aggressive. Jesus. Oh, and it does the cracks as well. Oh,
you can definitely feel the torque.
Yeah.
A lot of torque.
I'm sorry, cars like these just need an exhaust.
That's addictive. If I was going through a little town, I'll be popping and banging the whole way.
Trust me.
Trust me, everywhere you go, you have to let off some pops.
That's so controllable as well.
Down for the local high street.
You know what that means.
Jesus Christ. It genuinely sounds nice though, like.
It cracks like an A35 does.
So yeah, the exhaust is obviously, like we mentioned in the intro, Star Dynamics, completely custom. What are we looking at all in for an exhaust to get to sound like this?
1500.
So yes, it's not too bad. That's fully custom as well.
Yeah, that's a
Fully custom, yeah.
decat downpipe as well. They're usually very pricey.
So how low are the springs, the H&R ones? Are they
About
20?
25 mil drop.
20? Okay, 25, that's not too bad. I think any more than that, you're probably going to fuck yourself up.
You're
It?
fucked.
Yeah.
It's 25, I think it's too much, but it looks good. Never gets worse.
Dog is getting shoot. Oh, Alan, get the bunker ready. World War II.
No chickpeas down there.
The army barracks up here. They're gonna think someone let off the machine guns. Alan! Code 5! DHL guys loving it. Cheeky little Brabus sticker up here. Woo. Mate, you got a nice little car.
Yeah, interior is the best one, this.
100%, man. This must get you laid on a rake. I just pull up and a girl's just there like, yep. Don't worry about foreplay, mate. I'm already wet, sunshine. That dog, man, bless it. That's supposed to be helping the deaf people, but look at it. It's going deaf itself.
He's nodding his head. Quite a lot of people here.
There are quite a lot, man. What's this social distancing?
Everyone's head turning.
You're such a terrorist, you know that?
It's funny because like the people who don't know what's causing it are so confused.
Yeah.
Like these two women on the left.
That's true. Oh, look at his ears. Jesus fucking Christ. I'll go right here, sorry, yeah. Now we'll terrorise more people onto the right.
Up to the green again.
This is,
Look at another head.
literally, this is all Windsor's got. It's a Nando's and a castle. That's if you're an American, you're like, oh, we're gonna go to Windsor. That's what you get. It's a Nando's and a fucking castle. Hey, Aki's recording it, yeah?
Everyone's just looking because you've already come down.
Yeah, everyone's looking.
Hi. Sorry. You can't park here, mate. Fuck you know. Whoever mapped this is a legend. Yeah, how much MPG did you get out of this?
I'll say average about 20. Isn't too bad. It depends how you drive, obviously.
Yeah.
Oh, he was actually
He was loving it. Phil was like, yeah, boy. So yeah, what we've basically done today is just terrorise every town centre within 2 miles of SL4. So can we apologise if we whack a little left down here, and we'll head back to the car. But fucking hell. You know the drill, boy. Ra-ta-ta-ta! Woo! I'm currently wireless charging my phone, which is fucking insane. Another cool quirk and feature of the A-Class in 2020. Is that a dash cam or is it just
It's a built-in dash cam.
fucking hell?
Mercedes was the first to get this like augmented navigation, and the A-Class was the first car they put on. So they'll come into a roundabout and tell you exactly what junction you need to take. I would
Oh,
rent somewhere,
wow.
So you never get lost.
Mercedes,
How can I help you?
tell me a joke, boy.
Why is 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9.
Mercedes,
How can I help you?
change the colour to purple.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Mercedes, change the colour to yellow.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Oh, you sexy motherfucker. Damn, that's such a cool feature.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help you?
my seat is cold.
Calling it on the mobile phone.
Right guys, that was the video with the terrorist vehicle, i.e. the A250 with a fucking pop and bang map like crazy. Sorry to Windsor, we really do not apologise for what we just did there. Can't help it, the car does it from the factory, so what can we do? But yeah, absolutely insane. If you are a younger guy and you're thinking, you know what, I can't quite stretch to an A35, can't afford the insurance on it, get one of these, do that, map it, lower it, you're almost there. And the power, like I said, comparing it to a normal A35, which I've been in before, it felt as fast, it felt no different than a normal A35, so yeah, save yourself a couple of thousand, get one of these, and just do it to your own taste as well. So it's a no-brainer. Thanks for watching the video, and just get one of these fucking bad boys, they're so sick. And yeah, see you on the next video.